Qualities of a good public servant.
A good public servant helps people in need.
I am a simple public servant.
A good public servant is a man of his or her word.
Can you promise to your supporters and to the people of this city?
Whenever I get the chance to be elected as mayor of this city, I promise to do my duties and obligations well.
What are your plans?
I'm planning to repair the roads and the broken bridges.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So,